In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reports in Smartsheet. Reports are a powerful way to pull together information from multiple sheets so you can see exactly what you need in one place. We'll walk through creating a basic row report from scratch, and by the end, you'll know how to choose your source sheets, filter your data, and control which columns appear. First, in Smartsheet, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the navigation bar. Find the plus icon, labeled Create, and click it. This is where you start any new item in Smartsheet, like sheets, dashboards, and in this case, reports. From the menu that appears, select Report, and then choose Row Report. A row report is best when you want to bring together rows from one or more sheets based on specific conditions, like tasks assigned to a person or rows with certain statuses. Go ahead and choose Row Report to continue. Next, you'll be prompted to name your report. Type in a clear, descriptive name that tells you and your team what this report is for, like Open Tasks by Assignee or Projects Due This Month. Once you've typed the name, press Enter to save it. Giving reports meaningful names makes them much easier to find and reuse later. Now we need to tell Smartsheet where to pull data from. At the top toolbar of the Report Builder, click Source Sheets. A panel will open where you can browse and select one or multiple sheets. Choose the sheets that contain the rows you want to include in this report, then confirm your selection. Remember, your report can span many sheets, which is what makes it so useful. After you've selected your source sheets, click Filter Criteria in the top toolbar. Here, you define which rows should actually show up. For example, you might filter by status so that only in progress or not started tasks appear, or filter by a specific date range or assigned person. Take a moment to set criteria that match the purpose of your report. The more precise your filters, the more focused and helpful your report will be. Next, click Columns to display. This is where you decide which columns from your source sheets should be visible in the report. You might not need every column, so select only the ones that matter, like task name, assigned to, due date, status, and so on. This keeps your report clean and easy to read. Finally, when your report looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Share. Here, you can share the report with your teammates so they can view or collaborate on it. Make sure to save the report so it's available for future use. Once saved, your report will always reflect the latest data from the source sheets based on the criteria and columns you've set up.